Modern infrastructure depends on the cloud, and the cloud depends on stability, but even the largest systems are not immune. Amazon Web Services has reported a disruption, this time in its Bahrain region. The cause is unusual: drone activity in the area. This is the second incident in 1 month. Operations were affected by ongoing regional conflict. AWS is a critical part of global infrastructure. It powers websites, applications, and even government systems. Any disruption has wide consequences. Amazon confirmed the issue, but did not disclose full details. The scale of damage remains unclear, and the recovery timeline is unknown. To maintain stability, the company is shifting workloads, moving services to other regions. This ensures continuity for customers, but highlights a key vulnerability. Cloud systems rely on physical infrastructure. Data centers are still real locations and can be affected by real-world events. This is not the first incident. Earlier this month, facilities in Bahrain and the UAE lost power, again affecting AWS operations. Recovery required rapid response and redistribution of computing loads. These events show a new reality. Digital systems are tied to global risks, conflicts, infrastructure threats, and physical security challenges. Even the most advanced cloud systems must adapt. Resilience is no longer optional. It is essential. The future of cloud computing depends on it. Like and subscribe for more tech, news, and global insights.